Hello, I'm Yoshito. I introduce Japan style hair salon system and also Japan beauty products. This time, talking about home care for hair and scalp. This information is what I have been talking to my customers since I moved to the Philippines. Home care for many customers are not enough. Doesn't know the importance of scalp care as well as hair care? I will explain the importance of home care to enjoy hair for a long time. And please collaborate with us. It is useful not only for beauty but also health. About shampoo, the first of all is the daily home care. Shampoo is for washing dirt. Other benefits are less important. Firstly, please check the ingredients of shampoo and what kind of soap ingredient. Do you see? Sodium lauryl sulfate. I recommend sulfate-free shampoo. What is sulfate? A very strong detergent that was previously made from petroleum drugs, now made from plant oil, but it's still with the same ingredients as dishwashing soap. The concentration is different, but the moisturizing ceramide etc. is weaker. Not only hair, but also scalp aging may be accelerated. Of course, the shampoo used in the salon is also sulfate-free shampoo made in Japan. We use products that are safe for our customers. How to shampoo? 1. If they are styling products or has many or long lengths of hair, please brush firmly. Natural material or cushion brush is better. 2. Rinse firmly before shampoo. Use water as warm as your body temperature is better. Don't just make it wet. Rinse your scalp as if you were shampooing. It depends on the hair condition and water pressure, but at least 1 minute. Short hair is 30 seconds or more. For people with long hair thickness after using styling products, please rinse it for more than 1 minute. 3. Don't overuse. Control the amount of shampoo. If you rinse your hair well before shampoo, it will form better. If you excessively use shampoo, scalp aging will be accelerated, and the same goes to the sulfate-free shampoo. Appropriate amount of shampoo is when the bubbles start to disappear after rubbing your scalp for a while. 30% to 50% of the manufacturer's recommended amount are enough. It will reduce the burden not only of the scalp and hair, but also for environment and budget. 4. Don't apply shampoo directly on scalp. After wiping lightly with your palm, imagine putting 80% of your focus on scalp and the rest on your hair when washing. Massage the scalp firmly with fingertip. Never scratch with nails. We recommended use silicone material shampoo brush. 5. Rinse after shampoo also at least 1 to 2 minutes. If remaining shampoo will cause dandruff, itchiness, etc. About conditioner, don't apply conditioner directly on scalp, except some special products like Cotacera. This is very nice. The remaining conditioner will cause dandruff, itchiness, etc. Problem may occur touch on the scalp. Please use 2 inches away from your scalp. Important. For medium hair and long hair, gently comb with a jumbo comb before rinsing. Especially after nano treatment, soda color, and soda straightening. Please be sure to do it. The effect lasts a longer time. And if it remains on the neck or back, it can cause acne. Let's rinse it well. To make hair color last longer, if the hair is wet for a long time, like after shampoo, the color will fade fast. In addition, seawater and chlorine from swimming pool also accelerate the fading. Let's rinse seawater and chlorine as soon as you finish swimming, and dry early after shampoo with a hair dryer. Noted. Light coat your hair with conditioner to protect it before swimming in the sea or pool. If your hair is long, tie your hair and organize your hair ends. We also offer special hair mask for salon treatment for home care to keep hair color longer. About hair dryer. Using dryer will harm the hair and scalp. It is outdated superstition. The dryer uses warm air, not hot, to dry the hair first, make the cuticle growth easier, and reduce dryness of hair. Of course, over-drying is not good. Also, there are many bacteria in scalp, called as resident bacteria. But then we need to maintain the balance, neither too much, not too little. After shampoo or sweating, keeping your hair wet for a long time will cause scalp problems such as dandruff, itchiness, odor, hair fall, and etc. This is because it helps the bad bacteria to increase. After shampoo, dry with towel firmly but gently. It is better to do towel cap for person with long, thick hair. Dry 70% or more if you have time with hair dryer. If you don't have time, at least dry about quarter part of your hair near to root. And we offer like using beauty lotion on the skin, base makeup on the hair also. About scalp massage. Move your scalp more than 3 times daily. The scalp on top will slowly go down if you don't do anything. It goes to face and the skin will sag. Age come down from scalp. Oh my god. By massage from down going up, you can prevent aging. Stress worsens the blood circulation and lymph flow at the same time. If you improve it by scalp massage, you can increase immunity. This one is most important as you keep your immunity, maintain beauty and health. Make it your daily routine just like you brush your teeth. Healthy hair comes from a healthy body. We propose daily health care as well as hair care. Let's continue next time. Next time, how to keep and boost immunity. See you soon. Thank you. Salamat po. ありがとうございます。